gon' get no stress for adding gangsta on the internet. No rock. You know? And that's on blood. Fuck you right. How you gon' pop your shit, slime? You know? We gon' get him scratched for adding gangsta on the internet. He was claiming blood in his slime, we get into that. Plugs to them lows, they were bad, we just sent them back. Lil' bro, he be scamming, popping card, he just need a rat. Let's go. He had opened up that door and all he seen was bleach. Get them lows by the peas, remember serving niggas. Lil' bro ain't working no job, he working on the lick. Let's go. We had shut down they little party and came through with sticks. That lifeline you fell off, you need repercussions. Twin said he up all night, he been on rubber tussing. And no, he ain't asking no question, he just get the bustin'. I see these rappers get the fussin', we ain't with discussions. He had felt really offended, asking is he clutching. The real Zaza bags on him, got him smelling mustard. Donnie said he doing time, but you know it's nothing. See everybody around me, best believe you know they steppin'. Lil' bro ain't tryna go drive, he said he tryna shoot. He said took the muzzle off, it sounded like a flute. Now you laying in the casket, family in the suit. Tell your people to get up at me before you catch a boot. We gon' get him scratched for adding gangsta on the internet. He was claiming blood in his slime, we get in